What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that we have new companies that might be delisted from US stock exchanges. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we have two major ranges. First range is the range of resistance. It is this sloping line, and in my opinion it is the most important line for now. And the second one was right here. It was the range of support when I connect to these two bottoms, this lowest point and this one. We had this range as a decent support at this price section, but eventually we had this breakout below this level and we had another one, but previously we also had this movement, and I've told you that most likely we cannot have this level as our support range, and for now I have to say that it is totally eliminated. So we have another level that might be the crucial level for this asset, and it is this support line. If I connect these two bottoms, we have basically with this upper resistance we have fallen bullish wedge, and this wedge is quite bullish signal. I have to say that this wedge usually breaks to the upside, but we have to have more touches of these levels from the lower price points. And I have to say that this purple line shows the potential movement of this asset in upcoming sessions, and definitely the catalyst that we might have, the closest catalyst might be their earnings report that will be disclosed on May 26th, and definitely we should wait for these results. And in my opinion, we cannot predict what will be the results and what will be the forecast, the guidance for upcoming quarters, and that's why we have to be very cautious with any of our swing trade positions. And I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let me show you that we have new companies in the list of companies that might be delisted from New York Stock Exchange, and we have 8 companies that were added on May 20th, and we don't have Alibaba in this list, but still we have the opportunity to see all of the Chinese companies that are on US stock exchanges in this list, and definitely it might be the negative signal for BABA in particular, but all in all, for now we have a very long list of these companies, and definitely in a matter of next several months I think we will see the resolution of this problem, and this might be the catalyst for all of the Chinese stocks. But let me show you the data for BABA in particular. This is the list of institutional investors in Alibaba, and as you can see, all of the investors basically got rid of their position, and for now we have the lowest range of institutional ownership that we ever had on this ticker. And this is the result of the Chinese Communist Party policy that started to push down all the tech companies, all the tech giants about a year and a half ago. But for now, I have to say that we have some kind of relief or potential relief in this situation. And because of this relief, we might see the trend reversal. And let me show you another article that is quite bearish. On May the 20th, on Seeking Alpha, we have this article that is titled "Alibaba, Big Money is Bailing." And the summary of this article is following. Institutional investors sold over 60 million shares of Alibaba in the last 13F filing cycle. The company has a few risk factors at play, which are likely to drag the company's shares lower in the coming months. Risk-averse investors may want to avoid the stock for the time being. And I will put the link on this article in the description below, and you can read it by yourself. But for now I have to say that we don't have any major signs before their earnings report that shows us the real potential of this company, because everybody for now is waiting for the earnings report and we cannot predict any results. And let me show you that previously we have a very bad report on Tencent, and Tencent reported its worst quarterly performance since it went public in 2004. And this means we might see some quite similar results for Alibaba. Definitely it is not the direct rival of Alibaba. Nevertheless, it is one of the biggest high-tech companies on Chinese market. And that's why we might see lower prices for BABA in upcoming sessions. But let me show you the total sentiment from analysts. As you can see on tpranks.com website, we have 18 ratings and all of them suggest to buy the stock. And the price targets at the lower end at $130, and the highest price target is $276. And even to the average price, we have about 91.51% of upside potential. And definitely this implies very good opportunity for you as a long-term holders. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I still stand on my position that we might see this type of price action. And the major signal that you should be aware of is this range of resistance. And when we will break it to the upside with a huge conviction of volume, and we potentially might even retest it from the top, this will be the signal for you to enter your swing trade position, because this breakout will be very significant, and in terms of potential profits, it might bring you very high amount of profits in a very short period of time. But for now, I want to show you the bigger picture of this asset, and let me switch to weekly time frame and let me turn off all the indicators. As you can see on this, from this bottom to this top, we have the structure that has several waves in it. But from this top to this bottom, we basically have only strict movement to the downside without any major retracements. This means we might see the trend reversal somewhere at these levels. And fundamentally, the price points of roughly $86.79 is exactly the same price that this asset has on December 2016, on December 2015 and on February 2015 as well. And you can ask yourself, was this company exactly the same back in the days on 2016 or 2015? Was it the same in terms of its financials, in terms of its growth and in terms of its stability? Definitely not. And this means this point and the current range of about $86.79 is a very attractive price for long-term investors in this company. On top of that, let me show you that we still have bullish divergence on a weekly time frame, and we have consistently higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. And this means in upcoming weeks we might see the trend reversal. And I have to say that the MACD indicator also shows that we are extremely overbought, and we might see the trend reversal that might hit much higher targets. This means from the investor standpoint, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle, and this approach will give you much more attractive average price that will lead you to much higher profits in the future. So I don't want to make any assumptions about short-term gains with this price action, because we have to have more confirmation of the next movement. We have to have more detailed information from their earnings report. That's why just stay cautious with your short-term long position. But if you want to invest in this company and you already done your own due diligence, just buy at these levels. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.